This is how to reset service reminder of Hyundai Venue 2023. Ignition on, and then press this button. See, service in. That one. Go to settings, and then select up. Then press up, press down to convenience. Then okay, this one. Okay, and then service interval. Press okay. Then reset. Press okay. Yes. 15,000 kilometers 1 year. Okay, good.